Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hello beautiful people out there, this is me Ashish from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit your photo like Callum, who is a very famous Instagram photographer. So in this video we will edit like a fantasy, fantasy like photo in Photoshop. So before getting to the video, just hit the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get latest updates. Don't forget to visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset and every kind of photo editing stuff. So go and check it out that website. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Let's jump to the Photoshop. All you need to do is just capture a photo in such a way that you are holding one in light in one hand and just capture that, and you are lying on the bed. You have to capture that kind of photo. Now we'll edit this photo by using some kind of techniques and adding some kind of backgrounds and moon PNGs to the photograph. So first of all, let's add some moon PNG on the image. The very first thing we will do is we will crop the photo for our Instagram profile. So we'll select this 8:10 ratio, which is a very perfect Instagram portrait photograph. So just stretch the size and you can just adjust where you want and just hit enter. So this would be our Instagram photograph, and just enter. So next thing we will do is right click on it and select a duplicate. Let's duplicate the image. Now all you have to do is just select this portion and press Ctrl via copy option and just move this above here and press Ctrl, flip vertical way. So it seems like very awesome. Now just let's merge both the layers again, and again we will do the same thing, that is just press Ctrl T from the keyboard and just stretch it in the upward direction to enlarge that image. Here we will just clone it by using the clone tool. Now it seems very awesome and realistic. Now the next thing we would do is that let's merge it with the background. Let's duplicate it and let's add one, that would be our, just drag and drop over here and press Ctrl L from the keyboard and just move the slider and just change the blending mode to screen. Now press Ctrl D so the whiter portion should be on the exact face region, so that it will look like a reflection is just coming on the eyes, on the face of the subject. Now let's create new layer. Select the brush tool and select the black color from here and just paint it some black color on this portion. So here you can see we have made a black color and it is really giving. So here you can see the transparency has just disappeared. Your photograph is really looking very much awesome and realistic. Now you can erase some unwanted strokes of black color from here, from the hand region. To give it more natural look, you should delete this portion. So here you can see a huge difference can be seen on the image. Now the next thing would be, to first of all we will just add some loot on the image. So let's go to the color lookup and let's select these 4 cinematic loots on the image. It is really looking very much awesome. Now we will change the color of this moon by pressing Ctrl U and change the saturation to blue color. That's it. Now you can see the before and after effect. If this one is looking more good, then you can just keep it as it is. Otherwise go for blue color. Let's just keep it this color. Now next thing would be to let's go to the levels and just increase some lightness from the image. So here you can see the before and after effect. Now here you can press Ctrl I and just select the brush tool, and let's just paint the white stroke where you want the brightness. You can just keep it that brightness over there. Decrease some opacity. We want more lights on the hand region, so just make it more brighter. Now again let's select and create a black color over here. Let's create new layer and paint it with the black color. Press Ctrl U and just adjust the blackness of the image. Now let's add some kind of more effect on the image. Let's select the brush tool and just delete some unwanted lights from this area. Now press Ctrl J from the keyboard, and if you want this white color strokes of this, then you can keep it and just select the eraser tool and just delete this moonlight so that more stars would be there around here. Again press Ctrl J. Or you can just desaturate it. So here you can see the stars over here. Now if you want to add some more loots or color filter, then just go to the photo filter, select the cool filter 80 or 82 and just increase some kind of blueness on the image. So that your photo will look more natural and original. So this is how you can add your photograph to a very next level. And now let's just merge all the layers. Again, let's just crop the image. Press Ctrl J from the keyboard. Or let's just go to the camera filter. And let's increase the whiteness. And increase some blackness and highlights. You can decrease some shadows if you want to decrease. Increase some lightness, highlight. Add some contrast to the photograph. Now let's add some clarity to an image to +5 or +10. +10 would be perfect, or +9 would be pretty much okay. Now let's increase some vibrance to +10. Decrease some saturation to -5. And then just hit OK. If you want to add vignette, then you can add if you want, otherwise it is okay, don't add vignette. You can change the color if you want to change. +25, ready to. Let's change the color of the green to +8. And blue to +10. Now this one is really looking very much awesome. Now just hit OK. If you want to see the before and after, you can see. Now just hit OK. So finally here we have edited just like fantasy photo with visual editing, just like Caleb, which he recently posted in his Instagram profile. So go and check it out, his Instagram profile. I really just appreciate his work. Here you can see the before and after effect. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed, then just hit the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get latest updates. And don't forget to visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset, and every kind of photo editing stuff for free. So go and check it out, that website, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So well guys, thank you for watching, and bye bye till the next video.